Today I'm going to show you how to preview your profile on Upwork and see it as a client would. So the way you see your profile and the way a client sees your profile is two different things. Because it's your profile, you see it slightly differently. So if you go into your profile, as I clicked on my picture on the right hand side, you will see that this is what your profile looks like to you, because here you can edit basically everything that you see here. Okay. So if you want to actually see how the client sees it, click on See Public View, and here you will be able to see how the client actually views your profile. And this is a great way to see what the client sees when hiring or looking for a potential freelancer to hire. So you can see here you've got all your work history, you've got all of your stats on the left-hand side, your title. You can also see your bio, the first few lines, and your profile picture and so on. And if you want to get out of here, you can just literally go and click on this back button. This will now allow you to just view it back in your own profile with your own view.